Hello once again. I'm Thompson, a trainer at the RTC TV Training Center, and today's topic we are going to discuss on the DVD player, the functionality of the DVD player, the main part of the DVD player, and how to repair the DVD player when it's not working properly, especially for the power supply failure. First of all, you may ask yourself, what is a DVD player? It's an electronic device for playing DVD. In summary, DVD is a technology based on optical storage, similar to compact disc. Optical data storage is a method for storing digital information by using light to read that information. Firstly, if you want to troubleshoot or to maintain a DVD player, you have to prepare the workplace accordingly. As you know, as usual, as a professional technician, you have to select different tools, materials, and equipment used while repairing a DVD player. And you have to remind yourself the process of assembling and disassembling of a DVD player. Assembling is the process of fixing together separated pieces in order to make one whole. As you can see at your own screen, disassembling is a process to break down or to separate one device into many pieces. As you can see with that DVD, by the use of the screwdriver, I unscrew all screws in order to reach the internal part of this DVD player. Usually, the DVD player has three main parts. You can know the functionality of the DVD player without knowing the main parts of the DVD player. It has three main parts. As you can see at your own screen, there is a DVD power supply, there is a DVD control module, and finally, there is a DVD driver. As you already know that our topic of today is how to repair a DVD player power supply. First of all, we have to learn the general fault of a DVD player power supply. First of all, there's a blown up of the fuse. When the fuse, which is used to protect the whole circuit against overcurrent, when it's blown up, it means the functionality of the DVD player is no longer. And also there's a blown up of a chopper transformer. This one is used to step down AC current in order to be converted where there's a blown up of a main capacitor. This main capacitor through this circuit, it's used for filtering. It means to remove the unwanted AC current remain after rectification. And also there's a blown up of a rectifier. A rectifier is this combination of four diodes which made a bridge rectifier, is used to convert the AC current into DC current. When one of these diodes is blown up, there's a main failure of this power supply. And finally, there's a blown up of a regulator. As you know, a regulator through this circuit is used for regulating the required output. And also, as we finish to see the general fault of this DVD player power supply, we are going to see how to replace defected component according to their type. As usual, you have to remind yourselves the tips of soldering and soldering different components of the power supply. For example, today's topic, when you found out that this main capacitor is blown up, you have to do soldering. And soldering, it means you remove the defected capacitor and you replace it according to the corresponding capacitor, as you can see at your own screen. To find out the fault of different parts of this DVD player, you apply the voltage measurement at different stage of this DVD player power supply. Thank you for your attention. I hope you have learned much more based on the functionality of the DVD player, and I invite you to keep following our content through our YouTube channel called RTC TV Imamya, and don't forget to share with your beloved ones. And also, don't forget to go to the comment line to give us the feedback based on your challenges and also what you need us to focus on through the next topic. See you next time. Enjoy. Every quiet service requires experts and caring people. We all need good mood, and it requires nice place. We have solution for you. We are Martin's Expert Home. Your happiness is our first priority. We offer best services as following: the best restaurant with every kind of food and beverage, the unique bar where you can take your drinks safely, In Martin's Expert Home is the only place you can find the best multi-purpose hall where your weddings, meetings, or any other kind of ceremony can take place. Accommodation bedroom where you can take rest even if you can be with your family. Good environment and the nice temperature makes everyone feel comfortable at our place, which makes you relax well. We are located in Rwanda, Western Province, Rubavu District, Nyundo Sector, near Fundati Company, at Rubavu Kigali Main Road, 8 km from Gisenyi Town. For more information, please visit our website www.martins-home-rwanda.com, and also make your reservation through our contact number +250 78 96 78 633. Martin's Expert Home. Quality is created by experts and it has its value. You are most welcome. Batwita German Expert Garage. Nitwe bambere muri service zo gusigasira ubuzima bw'ibinyabiziga byanyu. Duhereye mu karere ka Rubavu, mu murenge wa Nyundo, neza ku muhanda munsi y'uruganda rw'icyayi rwa Pfunda. Tugufitiye service nziza zitandukanye nka computer diagnostic, gusuzuma imodoka ukoresheje imashini, engine repair, gukora moteri, computer wheel alignment, ibijyanye n'amapine kuyashyira ku murongo, general services, gufata neza ikinyabiziga cyangwa se entretien, brake and clutch repair, gukora ferinambrillage, panel beating, kugorora no gutera irangi. Agashya rero tugufitiye na headlight centering devices, zimwe zigufasha gutunganya amatara neza. Tugufitiye car wash, ikinamba, ndetse n'izindi services zitandukanye zo mu igaraje. Ku bindi bisobanuro wahamagara kuri nimero zikurikira: 07 88 47 20 German Expert Garage. Dukora buri munsi mu masaha y'akazi. Ubuzima bw'ibinyabiziga byanyu ni inshingano zacu. Nimutugane buri wese hawe ikaze. German Expert Garage.